So in this video, we're going to talk about the behavior of budget constraints. Now, budget constraints are going to look at how an individual spends money on different goods and services that they want to buy. Now, for this example, we're going to simplify our decision. We're going to look at one individual's decisions to buy two goods, tops and jeans, and they have a budget of $100. Now, we're going to assume that all tops cost $10 and all jeans cost $20. So let's look at how this behaves on the graph. So I'm going to start with a simple 2D graph with tops on my y-axis and jeans on my x-axis. So I basically just assigned different points at which we can purchase tops and jeans given our $100 budget. So if we assume that we spend all $100 on tops, we can then afford to buy 10 tops but 0 jeans. So I'm going to put a point at the top that indicates this combination. Likewise, I could also spend all of my money on jeans and buy 5 pairs of jeans at $20 each and spend all $100 of my budget. So these 2 points represent options on how to spend my budget on the 2 items that I've decided between. I also can buy a combination of tops and jeans. So I could purchase 8 tops and spend $80 and I would have $20 left to buy 1 pair of jeans. I could also purchase 6 tops and spend $60 and I can now afford 2 pairs of jeans. And likewise, I can spend $100 on 4 tops and 3 jeans. I can also buy 2 tops and 4 jeans. Now notice in each of these combinations, I have spent the full $100 of my budget. If we combine these points, we can also indicate our budget constraint. So this line represents all combinations of tops and jeans that you can afford based off the $100 budget that we've been given. Now this is going to behave very similar to the production possibilities curve or production possibilities frontier. Each of these points is just as good as the other point. Each of them uses an efficient amount of money. If I wanted to buy a combination of 6 tops and 1 pair of jeans, well, now I'm only going to be spending $80. So what we notice is that any points inside the curve are going to be feasible, meaning that I can afford them, but I'll have money remaining. So they're inefficient use of the budget I've been given. If I want to buy 6 tops and 4 pairs of jeans, I'm going to be spending much more than the $100 that I've been budgeted. So I don't have enough funds to reach any points outside. Now, as we looked at with the PPC curve, I do have the ability to expand my combinations of tops and jeans if I was to be given an additional amount of money into my budget. So with more money, my budget constraint is going to shift to the right to indicate a higher combination of tops and jeans. If I have money taken away from my budget, that's going to shift my budget constraint to the left, indicating that I am able to consume fewer combinations of tops and jeans. Now, this budget constraint is going to be helpful when we study utility maximization in the next lesson.